Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair video, and today I'll be showing you how I achieved this nice hair color. So if you're interested, keep watching. Before I begin this video, I just want to remind you to subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. By the way, I made a new Instagram account especially for my wigs. I'll have it linked in the description down below, so make sure you go ahead and check it out. So you guys, I made a closure wig for the first time. Ever since I started making wigs, I've always been using frontals, and I just decided to try something different. And honestly, I've been sleeping on these closures. I absolutely love how this wig turned out. So this closure is from Nadula's Hair, and it's a 6x6 transparent lace closure. It didn't came pre-plucked, but it did came with some baby hairs. I already plucked the closure, and I went for the 6x6 because I wanted enough parting space, and this closure definitely gave me all of that. I did position my closure more to the left side just so I can achieve like a deep part, because that's what I like. So it's not exactly in the middle, but it's more off to the left. So guys, I already mixed my bleach, and for this look I'm gonna use 20 volume developer instead of 40. I just want to lift the black a little. I don't want the hair to get super blonde, so I'm gonna apply this mixture all over the hair, and I let it process for about 20 minutes. For the look I was going for, I wanted the two front sections and the ends of my hair to be lighter, so that's why I'm applying some foil so it can process with heat. So like I said before, I'm gonna let it process for 20 minutes, and I'm gonna wash it out and come back to show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is what the hair is looking like so far. It's different shades of brown with like a reddish undertone, and as you guys can see, the ends are lighter than the rest of the hair, just what I wanted. But I still wanted the front to be a little bit lighter, so I went ahead and bleached it a second time and applied the foil so it can process. For the last step, I'm gonna add this brown color from Adore all over the hair, but making sure I avoid the ends. Remember, I want the ends to be as light as possible, so if you're following this tutorial, make sure you take your time so you don't mess it up. This is what the hair looks like right now. I did flat iron the hair off camera to speed up the process. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the front of the hair is not as bright as the ends. The front was looking very straight and very brassy, so I just used the Wella, I think the T18 with the 20 volume developer, and I toned it down a bit. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it's okay. So right now I'm gonna add some curls to the hair to give it more volume, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of this hair color. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting some pictures with this hair. And yes guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.